Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve an issue on your Windows 11 computer that says that your computer's trusted platform mole has manufactured followed by error code 8009016. Let's fix that issue guys. Go to File Explorer, just click on it and you need to go to this PC over here, and after that you need to go to three dot icon over the middle top, three dot icon, click on it and click option over here, and in option you need to go to view tab over here and show hidden file folders and drives, click on it and click apply and OK. After that you need to go to your Windows icon drive, your this Windows icon drive, you need to double click on it and you need to go to users and you need to go to user account, click on it, click continue and you need to go to app data and go to local, go to packages. After that you need to, after clicking on packages on right side, search packages, you need to click on it and after that you need to search for microsoft microsoft.aad. There should be only one folder will be here guys. You just want to right click on it and right click on the folder and click rename over here, and you need to change this name on last letter dot old. You need to change the name to, after click here rename and you need to press dot old, press enter guys. After that and close out of here, and for make changes you need to restart your PC in order to guys go ahead and restart your PC. Hopefully the problem has been resolved guys. Thanks for watching my video. Give me a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.